got some big news. It's going to change a little bit of our household dynamic. And no, the wife is not pregnant. Morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's been a little while since I made a video. Things have been going crazy. Today we're going to be doing multiple things. I'm going to try to focus a lot on getting the chicken tractor done because we need to get the meat birds out of where they're at. And we got some big news. It's going to change a little bit of our household dynamic. And no, the wife is not pregnant. She actually came back from Florida. Everything went good there. And she applied for a secretary position at our local private school. But they said that she was overqualified for that, and then asked if she would be interested in teaching. And they spent a good hour convincing her to teach. Not in a bad way, but and my wife never saw herself as a teacher, and it'd be through 3rd and 4th grade. So she got that job, and our boys are going to be enrolled now at the local Christian school. It's called OCA, Oxford Hills Christian Academy. So she'll be teaching, and the boys will be enrolled starting this coming school year. So that'll be a little different, her not being at the house as much, the boys not homeschooling. We did it for a few different reasons. One, to bring in a little extra income, but also to get the boys to find some friends. There's a little bit of a gap in our church, and my boys kind of fit right into that gap of not having a ton of boys that have the same interests as them in their age group. So there was that. And then I decided to ask my boss at my job about if they'd be interested in sending an employee to go to Mason training, to be trained as a Mason. And he said yes. And I was like, well, I'm interested. So I thought it wasn't going to be till next year. And then we got a message, I don't know, 2 days ago, saying that, oh, they have one in Kansas. Are you interested? So I talked over the wife, and it kind of works out. The boys are going to be at camp that week. It's for 4 days. So at the end of this month, July, I'm going to be headed to Kansas for training. I'll be gone probably a total of 5 days, 6 days. And so we've had a lot of changes coming up. It's going to change a lot of the household dynamic, but I think it'll be good. So that's what we've been having going on. So needless to say, I've been a little busy mentally, so I haven't really had the mental space to do a video. But now we're getting back on track, and I'm going to video probably while I'm in Kansas. I can't video the classes, but I can video my time just there. So anyway, so let's get started. Like I said, I'm going to get started on the chicken tractor, where we're going to put it for the meat birds, and then a few other things like cleaning the stalls. They need to be cleaned. It's going to be really hot today, so if you see me soaked, it's not because I went for a swim. It's going to be almost 90 degrees today, and it's very humid because of all the rain. We finally have a couple days where there's no rain, so I'm going to try to take advantage of it. All right, let's get to it. right, everybody, thanks for joining me. I'm gonna finish up the rest probably Friday. Just got a couple strapping left to put on, and then roofing and wire it up. Obviously a door too. Yeah, that would be good. And then it'll be ready to have some chicks put in it. So yeah, thanks for joining me. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.